our kids have thrived in this environment. Montessori has just been so good to them, and we've been able to see, especially in my fifth grade daughter, like all the leadership skills that she's acquired. Not only has it been a good environment for her to succeed academically, but also, you know, she's been able to build her confidence and her leadership and things that you don't really think about kids needing to develop, you know, as they're going through school. But the Montessori curriculum and the Montessori pedagogy, you know, having 3 grade levels in one classroom and graduating, you know, eventually to be that older kid in the classroom, providing the support to the younger kids and just like teaching them and taking them and, just caring for them, has really, really helped her. And I see the same thing with my son, and he's only in kinder, right?
I think one thing that's also amazing is because of the Montessori structure, it's 3 grades in one, right, in one classroom. And so right now they're lower elementary, and so it's first, second, and third grade. And one thing that we've noticed is how kind the older students are to the younger students. And as our kids grow, they're now the older students that are kind of guiding the younger kids. And so we've had plenty of parents whose children don't go to this school but interact with our children or see all of the children interacting, and they're like, gosh, these kids are just so kind to everybody, and they're so welcoming and generous and just very nice to the younger students. So we've been blown away. We love it here.